In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to break Google Sheets into separate pages for printing. If you've ever tried to print a Google Sheet and found that your data sprawls awkwardly across the page, making it nearly impossible to read, you're not alone. But don't worry, there's a simple way to manage how your data prints out, and I'm here to guide you through the process. To get started, you first need to open your Google Sheet containing the data you want to print. Once your sheet is open and ready, press Ctrl and P together. This keyboard shortcut is going to bring up the print view and print settings of your document. Here in the print settings, you'll encounter the preview section showing how your spreadsheet will appear on paper. At first glance, you might notice that your data isn't fitting nicely onto the page and it seems too long, spilling over in a way that's far from ideal. Now, to resolve this, let's utilize Google Sheets' custom page break feature, which is designed to help you adjust your print settings for optimal readability. Within the print settings, locate and click on the option labeled Set Custom Page Breaks. This feature is particularly helpful because Google will automatically set page breaks for you, but we're going to take it further by customizing them ourselves. When you click on Set Custom Page Breaks, Google Sheets inserts some automatic breaks, which you can see as blue lines across your preview. These lines indicate where a page will end and a new one will begin. However, to make your printed document truly useful and legible, you'll want to adjust these breaks manually. Simply drag the blue lines to suit your needs, arranging them so that all your key information fits logically within each section. This step ensures each page is clear and easy to read, with no awkward cutoffs or missing data. After you've done adjusting those lines to your liking, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option that says Confirm Breaks. Go ahead and click on that. By clicking on Confirm Breaks, you're telling Google Sheets that you're happy with your custom page setup, and it will save your preferences. And there you have it. Your Google Sheet is now perfectly broken into separate pages, each one readable and organized just the way you want it. Thanks to these few simple steps, your printed sheets will no longer be a jumble of tangled information, but a neat, presentable document. It's an easy fix that makes a big difference the next time you need to print your data. Thank you for tuning in, and happy printing.